Armed with an Achhe Din message and a 90-day report, UP Governor Ram Nayak did what no other governor has done before. Specially addressing the media, Nayak proclaimed he will not be a rubber stamp like his predecessors and will not hesitate to question the state. His Diwali message of Achhe Din has sparked fireworks as the Samajwadi Party goes after the political governor.
अच्छी दिवाली अच्छे दिनों के साथ आ रही है.
2 days ahead of Diwali, this message from the Uttar Pradesh governor could have been mistaken just as season's greetings.
अच्छी दिवाली अच्छे दिनों के साथ आ रही है. पेट्रोल डीजल के दाम बहुत अच्छे ढंग से कम हुए हैं, तो बाकी की महंगाई है वह भी धीरे धीरे कम होगी.
Handpicked by the centre and vetted by Narendra Modi, Ram Nayak, echoing the Prime Minister's Achhe Din slogan ahead of Diwali, has lit fireworks in Uttar Pradesh.
अगर राजभवन राजनीतिक गतिविधियों के लिए इस्तेमाल किया गया या महामहिम राज्यपाल अगर अपने को अब भी भाजपा या आरएसएस का सदस्य समझते हैं तो राजभवन को भी राजनीतिक विरोध झेलने के लिए तैयार रहना चाहिए.
The Samajwadi Party is furious, accusing Ram Nayak, a man who once harboured chief ministerial ambitions as a BJP leader in Maharashtra, of acting like one while sitting on the governor's chair.
More than a constitutional body, I would say the governor is acting like an extra constitutional authority, which in the scheme of democracy and the scheme that the constitution envisages is clearly not upholding the rule of law.
But we asked Ram Nayak, who held an unprecedented news conference in Lucknow today after completing 3 months at Raj Bhavan, whether his actions bordered on political activism.
Do you feel or do you think that the governor houses have a political role also, cutting across the line, cutting across the Uttar Pradesh?
Governor is meant for ensuring that the state government works according to the constitution.
In the last 3 months, the active governor's political message to the Akhilesh government has raised several eyebrows, and his recent meeting with the RSS chief at Raj Bhavan has only complicated issues.
Ram Nayak ji should now take off the cap of RSS and BJP and in true manner become the governor of Uttar Pradesh.
संवैधानिक पद रहते हुए उन्होंने संविधान के दायरे में अगर अपना रिपोर्ट कार्ड रखा, जनता से बात की, प्रेस के लोगों से बात किया, तो इसमें असंवैधानिक क्या है?
In a state where the government has often faced embarrassing questions over its attitude towards the people and the poor law and order situation, Governor Ram Nayak may be justified. But the ceremonial post he holds under the Indian Constitution may not allow him to become a political governor. Bureau Report, Times Now.